There's a GitHub repo with 16,000 stars that gives your AI agent over 1,100 superpowers. And most people have no idea it exists. Today, I'm going to show you every category, the best skills in each one, and how to install them in under 60 seconds. This one repo can turn a basic AI assistant into a coding machine, a marketing team, a security auditor, and a full DevOps engineer. Let's break it down. First, what are agent skills? Think of your AI agent like a brand new smartphone. Out of the box, it can do basic things. But install the right apps, and suddenly it can do anything. Agent skills are those apps. Each skill is a small file that teaches your AI agent how to do something specific, how to write better React code, how to audit smart contracts, how to write marketing copy that converts, how to deploy to AWS. The repo is called Awesome Agent Skills by Volt Agent. It works with Claude Code, OpenAI Codex, Gemini CLI, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot. One repo, every major AI coding tool. Let me give you the big picture. This isn't some random AI generated list. The tagline is handpicked, not AI slop generated. Every skill is curated from official engineering teams and verified community contributors. Over 1,100 skills across dozens of categories. Microsoft alone contributed 133 skills. Sentry has 31. OpenAI has 30. Trail of Bits Security has 22. And there are specialists in marketing, product management, and design too. Let me walk you through the best ones in each category. Category 1. Code and Development. This is the foundation. Anthropic contributed 17 official skills that teach your agent how to handle documents, build MCP servers, write tests, and follow brand guidelines. OpenAI has 30 skills covering deployment, security analysis, and document handling. Vercel has 7 skills for React patterns, Next.js optimization, caching strategies, and performance. Netlify has 12 skills for serverless functions, edge functions, and deployment. Cloudflare has 8 for workers and durable objects. And there are framework-specific skills for React, Vue, Svelte, Expo, and more. Install these and your AI writes production-grade code, not tutorial code. Category 2. Design and Creative. This is where it gets interesting for non-technical people. Figma contributed 7 official skills. Your AI can now read Figma designs and generate matching code automatically. There are skills for GSAP animations, so your agent can create professional motion graphics. Design system skills that teach your agent to build consistent, beautiful interfaces. Dark mode theming, responsive design patterns, component composition. You don't need to be a designer anymore. Give your agent these skills and describe what you want in plain English. Category 3. Marketing and Growth. This one surprised me. Corey Haynes, a well-known SaaS marketing expert, contributed 32 marketing skills. Your AI agent can now do SEO optimization, conversion copywriting, A/B test design, email sequence writing, paid ad creation, pricing strategy, landing page optimization, and referral program design. Kim Barrett contributed 12 direct response advertising skills, avatar extraction, offer design, headline generation, objection handling, and full funnel orchestration. This is a complete marketing department in a skill file. Non-technical founders, this category alone is worth learning agent skills for. Category 4 Security. Trail of Bits, one of the most respected security firms in the world, contributed 22 skills. Your AI can now do smart contract auditing, static analysis with SemGrep and CodeQL, threat modeling, vulnerability detection, and constant time analysis. Sentry contributed 31 skills for error monitoring and issue fixing across 13 platforms. These aren't toy skills. These are the same methodologies that professional security auditors charge thousands of dollars per hour to apply. Now, your AI agent does it for free. Category 5 Data and Machine Learning. Hugging Face contributed 13 skills for dataset creation, model training, fine tuning, and evaluation. There are skills for DuckDB, ClickHouse, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and Cosmos DB. Your agent can now build data pipelines, optimize queries, manage databases, and train models. The replicate skill lets your agent discover and run AI models from their entire catalog. If you work with data at all, these skills turn your agent into a data engineer who never sleeps. Category 6 Infrastructure and DevOps. This is the biggest category. Microsoft contributed a staggering 133 skills across 6 programming languages: Azure AI, cognitive services, storage, identity, compute, networking. Every Azure service has a skill. HashiCorp Terraform has 11 skills for infrastructure as code. AWS services are covered extensively. Google Cloud has skills for Vertex AI, cloud functions, and more. There are skills for GitHub Actions, CI CD pipelines, container orchestration, and serverless deployment. Your AI agent can now deploy, monitor, and manage production infrastructure. That's a DevOps team in a text file. Now, the most important part: how do you actually install these? It's stupidly simple. In Claude Code, you add a skills URL to your claude.md file or your project's configuration. In Codex, you configure them as MCP servers or paste them into the skills panel. In Cursor, you add them to your rules file. The repo has clear instructions for every tool. Most skills are a single file. You copy a URL, paste it into your config, and your agent immediately gains that capability. No npm install, no build step, no dependencies. Just paste and go. It takes less than 60 seconds per skill. Here's where it gets really powerful. Skill combos. Individual skills are useful, but combining them creates something far greater than the sum of parts. Imagine this combo: Figma design skills plus Vercel React skills plus Netlify deployment skills. You show your agent a Figma mockup. It generates the React code, deploys it to Netlify, and gives you a live URL. Or this combo: Corey Haynes marketing skills plus Stripe integration skills plus Next.js skills. Your agent builds a landing page, writes the copy, sets up Stripe payments, and deploys it. A complete product launch from a single conversation. Or the security combo: Trail of Bits audit skills plus GitHub Actions skills plus Sentry monitoring. Your agent audits your code, sets up automated security scanning in CI, and configures error monitoring. That's enterprise-grade security in 5 minutes. The repo is called Awesome Agent Skills on GitHub by VoltAgent. 16,000 stars. 1,100 plus skills. Handpicked, not AI slop. Link in the description. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I cover the best AI tools and workflows every week. Drop a comment with which skill category you're going to install first. I'm genuinely curious.